In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. Yes, actual giant birds. Tens of thousands were trampling crops across Western Australia. The farmers begged for help. So the government sent soldiers, armed with machine guns from World War I. But the emus were fast, scattered, and impossible to hit. They moved like feathery guerrilla fighters. The soldiers fired thousands of rounds and barely brought down a few hundred birds. Eventually, the soldiers ran out of ammo. But the emus just kept coming. The operation was called off, and Australia had officially lost to emus.